Hello, here's a quick way that we can get, I think this will be the final way to get um, to be able to print out your labels. So you have to go to your dashboard right here, and then you go to WooCommerce, and you got that um, pop up right here. And then you want to go to settings, then go to shipping, and you want to go to WooCommerce shipping. And then it says shipping labels, and you have to add your credit card right here. So click on this link, and it will take you to WordPress.com, and to where you can log in and leave your credit card. So that's basically what we need to do. And then once you do that, you will be able to go back to orders. You'll be able to click on the link for one of the orders, and then you will click create shipping label right here at the top of your orders tab. Everything, you'll use the origin address. Make sure that the origin address is your address that it comes from. Destination address, and I think we already verified the address. So the destination address, make sure that everything is set up properly with that one. That one is green, so everything is okay. Select the package. You can To select the package. You will have to create different packages, but I created this package for you. So you will have to create different packages. I'll go in there and show you that after this. But so far, I've created this wrapped package, and then use these packages. But once you do that, Um, there's there right here. There is a buy shipping label that's grayed out. The only reason why that's grayed out is because you don't have your credit card method put in there. So once you get your credit card method put in there, you'll be able to click and buy the shipping label for that particular order, and then print that out. And I think that is it for that. So thanks for watching.